April 3rd, 2025. Read with me. Dear class, today is Thursday. It is the 125th day of school. Hi there, I'm Mrs. Wachowski. I'm a kindergarten teacher, and I'm here to tell you about our day here at school. We're very busy learning and having fun each day. Our scholars are engaged with our new CKLA reading program. We see great growth. They come in not knowing much at all, and by the end of the year are reading independently. We're very proud of this program, and the kids seem to have a lot of fun. We're looking for our new kindergartners. The new school year will be starting in September, and we're hopeful that you'll register your child if they're ready, and we're looking forward to seeing them in the fall.
In kindergarten, I learned about reading, and my favorite book is Kit.
Superstar.
In kindergarten, we do buddy reading, and my favorite person is Kensley. At school, we eat lunch. My favorite lunch is carrots. At school, we have recess, and my favorite thing to do on recess is going down the slides.
Marcos, good job.
In Park Terrace, my favorite thing is math. My favorite thing during math is adding. At Park Terrace, my favorite special is gym.
Hi, I'm Polly Benjamin, the principal here at Park Terrace Elementary School, one of the 3 elementary schools in the Gloversville Enlarged School District. Here at Park Terrace and across town at Kingsborough, we offer kindergarten programs for all of our children here in the community. We're actively seeking registrations for our kindergarten programs beginning next year. Now you just saw a little snippet of what life looks like in kindergarten with one of our wonderful kindergarten teachers, Mrs. Wachowski, and her special class. We're really looking forward to seeing all of you young people at school here next year, and I hope this helped you see a little bit about what it might be like when you are a kindergarten scholar in one of our schools.